Local governments across Luzon are intensifying disaster response efforts as Tropical Storm Maymay triggers significant flooding in Nueva Ecija, leaving roads impassable due to landslides in Ilocos Sur. Gab Villegas tells us more.
Barangays in San Fernando, La Union are now taking action to prepare for the possible effects of Tropical Storm Maymay in their area. Some of the steps being taken by the local government include road clearing operations, the clogging of canals and other waterways, as well as the distribution of medicines against leptospirosis to residents in need. The LGU is also preparing evacuation centers for residents who need to be relocated temporarily to safety, especially those living in flood-prone, coastal, or landslide-prone areas. Meanwhile, the Cervantes Suyo Road in Barangay Ursadan, Suyo, Ilocos Sur has been rendered impassable to all types of vehicles following a landslide caused by Tropical Storm Maymay. Clearing operations are still ongoing in the area. In footage taken by Primo Ordonio, knee-deep flooding can be seen in Licab, Nueva Ecija due to the overflowing of the Labong River. According to the latest report from the Licab MDRRMO, the river is currently at orange level and there is a possibility that water levels may rise again if there is rain from upstream areas. Gab Humilde Villegas for The Nation.